हेलो एवरीवन एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम वेलकम बैक। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप you're all fine and okay. So let's start our video today. As you all may know by the title कि आज हम बनाने वाले हैं पूरीज. हमारे लैंग्वेज में यहाँ उसे पूरी बुलाते हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि ये मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिलीशियस है. इट्स सो हेल्थी एंड फॉर वेट लॉस इज़ ऑल्सो गुड. And I'm pretty sure it's kids and children's favorite. So let's start. As you all may see, this is semolina and we're roasting it about 30 seconds to 40 seconds just to give it a little roast. And then we're going to use the same pan and just give a little toss to the coconuts. We're not using dried coconuts, using the fresh ones. So roast it for about 30 seconds and take it out in a separate dish. And then in the same pan, we're going to add the homemade mawa. For the mawa recipe, please go into the description box and you will have the link over there. Trust me, this is a very simple and easy recipe, so do try it and tell me in the comments below. And if new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and share the videos. So the mawa is also getting a bit lightly cooked. Now we're going to add the chopped almonds, about half a cup. Then we're going to add the sultans, or you can say raisins. After adding that, we're going to add chopped cashews too. You can either slice it, chop it, whatever suits to you. If you don't have these nuts, you can add walnuts if you rather prefer that. So chopped cashews, about nearly 2 handful I would say. Then we're going to give it a mix. Now we're going to add the roasted semolina. Then give it a mix. See how simple this is? So do try it out and tell me in the comments. Just give a little mix. Now we're going to add the cardamom powder, or you can say elaichi powder too. So about half a teaspoon. Going to add for flavor and taste. Give it a mix. And then the coconuts that we had roasted for about 30 seconds, we're going to add that too. Desiccated coconut. Give it a mix. Then lastly, we're going to add the powdered sugar for about 1.5 cup. So we're going to add that and then give it a nice mix. See, the mixture looks just so ready. And now's the time to make the puri. So here we had made the dough. Going to cut them into pieces. After cutting them, we're going to make it into little tiny parathas. Not really parathas, but we're going to roll it by using a roll pin. See? I know they're not going to turn out perfect round, but if they do, that's good. After rolling this, we're going to add the mixture in the middle, about 1 tablespoon. Then put some water at the sides. Just follow these steps and you will have the most amazing delicious puris, homemade and ready to eat them. You can either store them in an airtight containers. See how easy they are to make. In the next few clips, I'll show you how to fry them. So we're just going to make 4 or 5 puris.
We have our delicious puris ready to eat, and you can eat it with a cup of hot milk or tea, and it's so perfect for morning breakfast as an evening snack. So I would recommend do try it out and tell me in the comments, and if new to my channel, subscribe. Till then everyone, take care and Allah Hafiz.